Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.